Alrighty guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to go over how to install a microwave exhaust hood in your kitchen. So first off, we'll show you the tools you're going to need for the job. You're going to need just a standard Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, some spade bits, tape measure, a drill so you could drill your holes, and either a drill to put your screws in or a screwdriver, whatever is easiest or whatever you have will work. And we've already went ahead and installed or drilled out the holes we needed. When you get your exhaust hood, it's going to come with some templates. This one is the template for the rear wall. You're just going to put it up here and you're going to mark your holes, which we've already done all that stuff for time-wise, kind of save on time, but pretty self-explanatory. And then you got your shelf top one that goes up top here, that you can drill your holes to hold your microwave and to drill your hole for your plug. So you want at least a 1 inch to bigger spade bit for your end of your plug so that you can drill through your cabinet. Anything smaller than 1 inch, it won't go through. So anyways, those are the tools that you're going to need. I'll leave a link in the description below for where you can get these tools if you want to go check it out. All right, let's get going. First we'll install the bottom bracket. It's just some toggle bolts. All the toggle bolts and stuff come with it. And like I said, you just mark out your holes. I'm going to put them in there. I'm just going to tighten these toggle bolts down. And then once you got your toggle bolts in, you want to make sure that you find at least one stud that you can run a good size grabber into. If you don't find a stud, these toggle bolts ain't going to be enough to hold this microwave up. So you want to make sure that you use the toggle bolts, get in position, and then make sure you get your grabber so that you can find a stud, which we've already found our stud over here. So we're going to put our screw in over here. Okay, now we've got our bracket in. We'll go ahead and set this, and then we'll show you how we get on there and bolt it to the top. Alrighty guys, we got it all mounted. Looks good, looks fancy. We got the hole drilled up top in our cabinet here so that we got our plug up here so it's nice and tucked away. You just plug it in. Like I said, the template, there's going to be 3 bolts, 2 on this side and 1 on this side, or vice versa, depending on the side, what microwave or exhaust hood you get. But you just mount those in, put your plug through there and plug it in, and you're all set. So that's how you install a microwave and exhaust hood. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked what you've seen here, please give us a like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification so you can know when we get other videos. And let us know in the comments below if there's any other videos you guys want to watch or see us do. We'd love to do those videos for you. So until next time guys, thanks.